Hi exhibitors, this is a tutorial for Broadcast India show. I know how to create your exhibitor profile once you receive an email from the backend through a Swapcard platform. Now, as you can see on the screen, where you'll receive an email with a Broadcast India banner. You need to just go and click the below tab that is called Let's Get It Started. You will be transferred to another page, which will be a Swapcard URL where you have to define your password. So just let me define my new password now. So as I've already been logged in through my earlier profile, so that hence I'm seeing two profiles. But when you go through accept new data, I'll be pushed on to the main page of Broadcast India. On this will be your own personal profile wherein you see your name and you will be able to edit your own profile. This is the main page of Broadcast, how it looks like. Now this is the exhibitor center. On the left hand side where you see NM demo, you need to go and click on the edit tab. Now, this is what you call the exhibitor center, wherein you can control your complete exhibitor profile and all the information that is related to your exhibiting company, and you can actually control how you want to make your profile look like. So, first option will go as the banner. Then top here you can see the edit option, and click on the edit option. Here you have an option to edit the header image. You can add an image as per the specified dimensions mentioned over here. Also, you can add either video links which are uploaded through your YouTube or Vimeo channels or through your company channels. You can link in over there. This is an option to upload your logo. As you can see, all the dimensions are mentioned over here. Whatever logos or images that you need to upload, please ensure that the sizes are limited to 1 MB. That's much better in case of the platform options. Here is your name. In case you want to change the name of your company as well, that is an option from the earlier company's name that has been stated. Now, where do we go? Now you can exit that option. You can go to the information tab where you can add an detailed overview about your description of your company and your products, or introduction into what your company is into. Next option is social media. We have the four social media accounts that can be enabled over here. The one is LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. You just need to link in, add the URL of your official social media accounts, and it will be easily linked to all the details that are required on the page. These are the contact details. This is as per how you will want it. You want to mention whatever mobile number or the telephone number, the main centralized email ID, the address. This can be mentioned and updated over here. Now, this is a very important option in terms of your visitor perspective and artificial intelligence that Swapcard offers you in terms of assistance. Now, when you click on add products, you get an option to add products. These are all the categories that are relevant to the broadcast industry, which you must have already defined in your participation form that was handed over to us. Here again, you define any of the categories that you need. I'm just going to go with digital TV studio over here. You can add the name of the product. I'm just going to say camera. And you can add a small little description or a very elaborate description in terms of what you want to display your product as. When I say create, it creates a product over here. And after that, you have an option to add image over here. So images can be multiple images out there or a singular image, whichever, however way you want to show it. Also in your description, you can add the website link or a URL of a demo or a video URL of the product as well. Again, I'm going to go to the company profile. There's an option to edit and add documents over here. Now, documents can be in form of an URL. It can be in form of PDF. It can be in form of Word document or a PPT. Generally, we would suggest to add documents in PowerPoint or Word format or a PDF format, which are non-editable and only downloadable. Now, this document cannot be linked to any of your products, but it will be appearing on your main page below your description option, and people will be able to download it, have a view over it, and any which ways however you want to utilize this. We go back. Uh, Now here there is an option to add your team members according to your package and delivery of what package you've taken. But you will not be able to add any team members as of now, but you need to send in an email to us with their first name, last name, email ID, mobile number, and designation. And we will be adding them as a part of your company, and they'll receive a login credentials as you have received, and they'll be able to access everything as you are accessing. It's That's about it in terms of exhibitor creating your own exhibitor page. Once you have created your exhibitor page, it will be added to the exhibitor list, which will be right over here. When you click on the exhibitor tab, it will appear here under the exhibitor list, and whatever you keep on updating, it will come under your profile section over here. So this is from a visitor's perspective as what you see. He has an option to chat directly with you through your team, and anyone can address it from your team. You can see the products over here, and this is in the format what is going to appear depending on what you update accordingly. Here are the document option, which you'll be able to download. That's about it. Thank you for the tutorials. Yes, so I